Hello friends, welcome back to another video astronomy. I am Saad, and today we are going to talk about some interesting facts about solar eclipse. A total solar eclipse is taking place on Monday, April 8, 2024, visible across North America. For Monday's eclipse, the maximum duration of totality will be 4 minutes, 28 seconds near Torreon, Mexico. An eclipse happens when a planet or a moon gets in the way of the sun's light. Here on Earth, we can experience two kinds of eclipses: solar eclipses and lunar eclipses. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon passes between the sun and Earth, causing the moon to cast a shadow on Earth. A lunar eclipse occurs when Earth is between the sun and the moon, causing Earth to cast a shadow on the moon. How does a solar eclipse work? A solar eclipse occurs when the orbit of the Earth around the sun is intersected by the orbit of the moon. At some point, the moon passes onto and through the same line of the same plane between a viewer on Earth and the sun. During a solar eclipse, the shadow created by the moon is cast upon the Earth. A total solar eclipse, where there is an occultation of the sun, can only be viewed from within the moon's full shadow or umbra. Penumbra, the outer part of a shadow, that is less dark than the central part. Umbra, the central part of a shadow where it is completely dark. Additionally, the moon's distance from Earth during its orbit is variable, so the moon can't be too far from the Earth during its alignment for it to completely conceal the sun from the viewer. The moon is much smaller than the sun, but because it is much closer to Earth, its apparent size is very similar to the apparent size of the sun. If the moon is too far from the Earth, its apparent size is not large enough to conceal the sun completely. If the moon is not at the correct distance from Earth in its orbit, or if the viewer is standing outside the umbra of the moon's shadow, the eclipse is referred to as a partial or annular eclipse, during which the view of the sun is only partially. This image shows a partial or annular solar eclipse where the sun is only partially obscured by the moon. Many people around the world still see eclipses as evil omens that bring death, destruction, and disasters. A popular misconception is that solar eclipses can be a danger to pregnant women and their unborn children. In many cultures, young children and pregnant women are asked to stay indoors during a solar eclipse. Ancient Greeks had a different spin on this celestial event. They believed that eclipses were a sign the gods were angry with humans and that the sun would abandon Earth, bringing untold misery. The word eclipse actually comes from the Greek word meaning abandonment. According to Aymara tradition, an eclipse means the sun is sick and near death. The Aymara people would light fires on hillsides to warm Earth. What should we not do during solar eclipse? Do not look at the sun through a camera lens, telescope, binoculars, or any other optical device while wearing eclipse glasses or using a handheld solar viewer. The concentrated solar rays will burn through the filter and cause serious eye injury. I hope you all guys have liked this informative video. Please leave a like and share and comment. See you later in the next videos of astronomy. Bye.